Ready to go.
Okay. Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we're working on this little Yamaha PW80. This is a cool little bike that we picked up a couple weeks ago and we couldn't get it running originally. So we redid the carburetor, we put a new chain on it and tuned it up, put a new NGK spark plug in it, and now it runs pretty good, but it needs a clutch. Okay, first thing we're going to do is get the oil out of it, which should be pretty easy. There should be a 17 millimeter bolt back here someplace. It's like every other motorcycle on the planet. There we go. And she broke loose. We're going to try to be as neat as possible since we're working in the middle of the garage. When you get one of these used, first thing you want to do is change the oil on it, because there's no saying they use the right oil. There is very specific oil for a wet clutch 80cc bike. Okay, next up is take the Kickstarter off. And I give you 100 guesses what size the bolt is. If you guessed anything but 10 millimeters, you're fired. There we go. And you see there's a little groove here. Come over here. See there's a little groove here, right here. And the nut sits in that groove, or the bolt rather, sits in that groove, so it won't come out unless it's completely taken out. Okay, I had to take a break for a few minutes to go get a socket big enough to do it. This particular one's a 22 millimeter. Easy peasy once you got the socket. And now we slip this big boy off. And it's just that easy. Throw the new one on. Okay, let's put the new clutch in. Getting it lined up on those teeth is the tricky part. You got the first half. And we're almost there. And there we go. We've now got a clutch in place. Get our little washer back on. And it's just that easy. In just no time here, we're going to be running this bad boy down the street. Probably going to save the test drive for tomorrow though, because it's supposed to be pretty nice out tomorrow. It's kind of cold out today. Okay, there we go. That's it. I'm going to get the rest of the oil out of the bottom of the crankcase. Do a little cleaning before we put her back together. And yeah, the oil I'm seeing in here looks terrible. But we've got new T40 oil for it. Did a little research on it, and T40 is the recommended oil for this thing. And that's it. It's just that easy. And we had to drill the head off one of the screws. So we're going to go ahead and pull it out. We can put it back together without this screw. But we'll save this and we'll take this with us when we go get a new one. I was going to put a whole new gasket set in it, but this gasket looks good. Yep, nice and tight. Everything looks like it's seated up good. Very nice. Okay, let's get a bunch of screws in it. Notice we're not going very tight on these quite yet. I want to get them all started before I tighten them all down. Oh, before I tighten any of them down. Okay, now we use the big screwdriver with this attached for leverage to tighten them down. You can tell these screws have been off once before because the teeth are various stages of beat up. Okay, let's put some oil in it. Okay, now note this. We actually replaced this the other day. Okay, it's finally time to take this thing for a ride. This thing should be fun. It's got a new clutch, new carburetor. It's been freshly tuned. It's got a new plug, got a new oil cap, fresh oil in it. And near as I can see, she's ready to go. And she starts pretty easy. It's got an automatic transmission, so not much can go wrong. Okay, that was pretty fun. Now, this thing barely has enough, with me on it, of course, 160 pounds, 165 pounds, barely got enough to get the front tire off the ground. But for a kid, especially one that weighs 80 pounds, this thing's going to be a lot of fun. It's going to be a great toy. So, all you new people out there, if you made it this far, you might as well subscribe. It's free, and it's what we work for. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.